Gerald 64, Team Daniel 69. Kapamilya playoffs po ang inyong napapanood.
Humihingi ng screen si Gerald. Wants to get away.
O, kailangan may play na mga ganyan.
To get him more open shots. Tsaka tama yun na inbound pa lang sa kanya ibibigay. Kasi kung hindi sa kanya ma-inbound, dinidinanda siya ng bola pagkatapos yun. Raver. Zanjo again, the force in the middle para sa depensa ng Team Black.
Si Daniel, di pa naglalaro. Matagal na, ha?
No,
Pahabol.
9 points, you know? Pinagtay niya. And Elotes, 3 is off.
That's not what we thought, though.
Oh, nice pass.
Cruz with the fake. Yan ang magiging role ngayon ni Gerald Anderson.
Decoy. Set up man for his other teammates na ma-deliver dahil halos double, triple team na sa kanya pag siya nahawak ng bola. Siyan Lim. Supalpal ni Gerard Acaw.
Young JV. Naghintay.
Down by 3, talking about Team Blue.
Foul on the driving Young JV.
Foul.
Pasa. Peke. Ni Raver Cruz. Joseph Marco. Papasok. Yun ang papalitan itong si Anjo para asawahin si Gerald Anderson. Titira ng tres kaagad.
Lumamig siya.
Oo, siyempre.
Hindi nakakak ng bola eh.
Parang walang rhythm. No?
Uy! What a tough shot. Speaking of rhythm, Alonte. Ronnie Alonte. Quiet diyan. Dami rin niyang puntos. Ni Team Daniel, 16 points na siya.
Pinilit ni Gerald. In the meantime, ang ganda ng teamwork. That Team Daniel.
Ang ganda ng pass ni Zanjo to Axel Torres, who's the leading scorer now as well.
Laki na to, ha?
60 points.
7 points.
The biggest lead of the game para sa Team Black. Gerald Anderson with a huge three in the face of Joseph. At may kiss pa siya kanina, binating kiss.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko na nakita.
Hindi on target.
Kiss ba yun?
Flying kiss eh. Parang
4-point lead. Joseph Marco. Tapik. Young JV. Iiwan sa kanila ang bola.
Umarte pa si Young JV trying to draw the foul.
Ito yung sinasabi mo.
Okay. In your face 3. And then, the kiss.
Kiss ba yun?
Kiss ba yun? Ano mo? Kiss ba yun? Parang o tres. Tres in your face. He's a competitor.
Yup. And so is Axel Torres.
Oh, yeah.
Nainagawan siya ng bola. Dumire-diretso. Wala. Pero nandun. Patulong.
That was a 3-on-1 fast break. Wala na ibang buwaba sa Team Black.
Nakagaw pa
si Zian. Dahil dun, biglang 8 ulit ang kalamangan ng Team Black.
Raver Cruz. Ganda ng galaw.
Raver Cruz.
Nice drive by Raver Cruz. Nakahanap ng butas sa depensa and he wants his team to get going. Ronnie Alonte has done a great job at the point para sa Team Black. Axel
Torres.
Hey, look out! Oh! And look at his celebration. You see the face of Zian Lim with his 3. Bakit siya nagulat eh. 5 straight points to Zian Lim din
Yes. Ito yung kanina. Ma-shoot tapos nakaagaw.
His 4th personal.
Tuwan-tuwa yung kapitan na hindi pa nga naglalaro masyado. Naka-minutes restriction yata. Zian.
Si Zian. Walang papantay sa akin Sige lang.
Hindi, 3, hindi 2. Tapos Coach Alvin.
Alvin ang alam. Yes! Champion na tayo!
Champion! Ayan na. Daniel Padilla papasok.
Sino ba naman dun? Sino ba naman ang team na dadala sa energy ng crowd na to? Whether player ka or coach ka,
Tama.
Even if this is just an exhibition game, the crowd makes them feel like it's a championship game.
Sobrang energy nga. Daniel, pumasok. Hindi nagsabi sa technical table. Ayan, pinabalik tuloy siya.
Teka lang.
Hindi pinayagan. Hindi pinayagan ng referee. Relax lang daw, kapitan.
Meron tayong konting rules na sinusubaybayan.
Meron pa rin. Okay, pwede na. Yeah.
Normal na.
Ang tunay na box. Okay.
Hey, nice free throw there for Miko Raval. One more for him. We're down by 9. 6:31 to go. What a shift on the second half. Itong Team Blue, kanina no first half, 28 points in first quarter, 22 in second quarter, biglang baba sa 14 in third quarter nung hindi na halos nakahawak ng bola si Gerald Anderson.
Yun talaga.
Oo. Depensa ang naging susi ng Team Black.
Dito ang bola. Balik kay Marco. Sanjo. Poposte. Nang mapuntahan. Lumabas kay Marco. Inikot na naman. Maagawan ba? Maagawan ba?
Shot clock or not.
Ubus ang oras.
Marco was trying to call a timeout. Wala tayong ganun. In the NBA, there is. Good effort from Marco Gumabaw to get the loose ball, pero no timeout.
Hindi, nagfe-flex lang ng muscle.
nag-flex ng
Sabi
bakit.
niya, ganyan kalaki. Ang aking mga guns. Pabalik po kami.
Kapamilya Playoffs would like to thank the following.
Kalaan, mabante ng 8. Si Team Daniel over Team Gerald.
Ano ang tawag si Eliza dito sa tabi natin?
Oo nga, natutuwa siya, ano?
Atin siya natatawa eh. You know, Gerald Anderson trying to set up his teammates na agaw. Ito Daniel.
Oh! Ho, ho!
Daniel Padilla.
Oh, pero na-cramp yata si Daniel. Dito sa kabila. So foul ang tinawag. Kaya siguro siya hindi naglalaro ng matagal kasama ng TJ. Alam naman natin, itong mga foul nila, panaluya,
The third person.
working hard. So minsan, syempre, yung katulog,
Let's check out this
Whoa.
tough layup once
Wow.
again. This reverse layup. Oh man. Ang hirap nun yung bitaw niya.
sa may pagbagsak niya, ito dito, dito niya naramdaman. Cramp, nag-cramp na. Cavs.
Naramdaman na niya.
Nothing to worry about. Para doon sa mga fans ni
Not a major injury,
Daniel,
but it might affect him coming back in this game.
ay hindi na makalaro.
5 minutes to go.
Papahinga na yan. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi po paa o
Hindi yan, walang nabalot. Pulikat siya, kuya.
Pulikat yan, pulikat. The chance of DJ.
Okay, so sub muna si Daniel.
Kaya rin siguro hindi siya nilalaro kanina eh. Baka nakaramdam-ramdam na siya eh.
Or yung pagod din. They're gonna work on him on the sideline. See if he can make it back in the game. It looks like he wants to.
Ilan dyan sigurado. Kasamang TJ, ilan dyan sigurado ang dito naglalaro. Ang puyat, galing taping, galing shooting.
Grabe.
Pero dahil nasa mga fans, no? Yep. Ano na, baga, inibigay na lang yung todo. Okay, balik tayo dito sa aksyon. At may foul. May penalty ba tayo? Ito mukhang wala.
Foul.
Meron. Pero hindi pa nagagamit.
Penalty on Team Daniel.
Uy, sa selfie si Eliza, sumama ka.
Sama ako. Sama ka din.
Miko Raval shooting.
Okay, balik trabaho, balik trabaho. Okay. Game, 5:32 to play, free throws, Miko Raval.
Uy, nagbabantay na rin tayo ng MVP.
Sige,
Baka ng Mythical 5, ha?
sige, bantay ka dyan.
Tignan mo, Daniel Padilla may 19 points. Axel Torres may 16 points. Alonte may 18 points. Siyempre, may Gerald Anderson. 34 points.
34 na ba?
Grabe. Yung JV. 17.
Ganda rin ng mga, scoring ng mga teams dito. Hop, nangunguna si Anderson. Hindi binigay ni Raver. Pero si Young JV.
They get the 2 points. 5 minutes to go. Haba pa to.
Pang oras.
7 points ang hinahabol. Torres, fouled by Raver Cruz there. 2 free throws para kay Axel Torres.
Si Daniel, by the way, nakatayo na dito sa gilid at nagre-rehydrate na.
Young JV as Axel Torres. Now with 17 points.
Ano siya? Younger or older brother ni Thomas Torres?
Older.
Older.
Joe Vargas coming in for Raver Cruz.
Raver, lalabas muna. Joe Vargas, lalabasok.
Inside.
Siyam pa rin ang abante.
Releasing the gentleman.
5 minutes to play. It is 84-75. Dito sa ating Kapamilya Playoffs na yung napapanood dito sa SNA. Anderson, pupumilit na.
Splitting the defense here. At saka penalty na itong Team Black, ha?
Yun.
Yun ang aabusuhin ng
Team Black is in penalty. Gerald Anderson on the free throw.
Tinadagdaga pa.
35 points. But his bigger concern is down yung team niya.
Oh, tsaka 4 fouls siya.
Oh. 35 points. The lead is down to 7 again.
Angel Ramirez coming in.
They need stops. They need some defensive stops.
.449 to play. Alonte, pinilabas kay Damiles, wala. Joe Vargas, nakikipagagawa ng bola, jump ball daw.
Possession arrow.
Uy, may possession arrow tayo.
Recent FIBA rules. Harap sa Team Black, they retain possession.
Shot clock at 12 seconds.
12-second shot clock. Sancho. Alonte. Oh. Mali. Anderson against 2.
And one. 38 points for Gerald Anderson, and he is willing his team back in this game. Boom with a steal.
May tinitigan pa DJ.
Draws the foul, keeps his composure. Man,
Yung fans, oh.
what a game by Gerald Anderson. 38 puntos na. We're at 39, and this is only a 4-point game.
Substitution. John Douglas coming in for
Oh, sabi niya sa team niya, one stop daw. Oo. Haba pa oras. Ano pa pwede mangyari? Anjo Damiles, wala. Ayan na naman yung bato kay Anderson. Masyadong malakas si Vargas. Hindi niya rin tansyado yung lakas niya eh.
Ang lakas kasi ni Joe eh. Tama ka. Ang lakas ng braso eh. Axel Torres.
Kapal.
Pinakain ang bola ni Gerald Akaw.
Tapos. Akaw. Steady inside. Apat na rin foul niya, no? Anderson. Behind the back. Pumihit. Tumira.
Oh, man.
Ang tawag mong buhat mundo.
41 points. Gerald Anderson just taking over.
Kalahati.
Ayan, no?
Kalahati ng ginagawa.
Amazing.
Akaw.
Akaw.
Pinabayaan ng referee. Oh, hop.
That would have tied the game. And possibly a free throw to take the lead. But nonetheless, check this out. Against 4 players, against 4 defenders, no problem. Look at Gerald Anderson.
Oh, hindi kung puyat siya. Daniel din, parang gusto pumasok. Eh.
Meanwhile, Young JV, 2 free throws to tie this game up. Sablay ang una.
Wala pa rin. So, lamang pa rin ang Team Daniel. Short. Torres.
At the right place at the right time. Axel Torres there. Not giving up on the play.
20
Back to
na.
4.
20
na siya,
na.
no?
Oo.
Saka back to 4-point lead.
Parang gusto ni Young JB bumalik ng free throw line para bumawi.
Axel Torres.
Kaya niya
His second
dinire-diretso.
personal.
Young JB at the line hits the first. $20 points now for Young JV. Crucial yun, ha? 1 out of 4 sa kanyang huling dalawang trip to the free throw line. They're down by 3. Zanjo open to 3. Wow!
Hasn't been shooting all day.
Nico Raval.
Dinire-diretso.
But there's a violation on Team Black. Stepping daw out of bounds. So balik sa Team Blue ang bola.
Yan, tingnan natin.
Ronnie Alonte comes
Si
in.
Zanjo galing sa labas. Di pa naka-establish ng position.
Gerald asking for the ball. All yan.
Uh-oh, that's
Free
2 free
throws
throws.
yan.
Kasi penalty yung Team Black. Kanina
Oo.
pa, not a good foul mula kay Anjo Damiles.
Foul call
Not
on
a good
Anjo.
foul at all. Lamang silang tatlo.
Third personal.
2:41 to go. The clock is stopped. And the guy with 41 points at the free throw line. But his team has been missing free throws. Crucial free throws.
Oo,
Siguro by now, lamang na sila.
Sinigurado.
Good. 2-point game.
86-84. Kapamilya playoffs. Matinding bakbakan dito sa Mall of Asia Arena.
Fasten your seatbelts for a classic finish.
Sancho.
Oh, what a tough shot.
Sancho Marudo.
What a tough shot.
Over Akao.
Yep.
Lead is back to 4. Anderson. Sablay.
Vargas gets the loose ball.
As usual, Akao nasa gitna. Formang titira, pinasa. Counted pa.
2
And
minutes.
1. Look at the face of Jared Akao. Tuwan-tuwa siya sa desisyon niya na pumasa imbes na tumira dun sa free throw line.
Tumuna yung tira ni Sancho.
Sancho, hirap nito.
Nico Raval with a bonus free
Beating
throw.
siya. Look at
Reto.
Jared. He could have taken that shot, but he saw a pass to Nico Raval. And 1. Chance to cut the lead down to 1.
Daniel, papasok na.
Sinave siya. No?
Ano
Pinay
to?
pa rin, ha?
Pang-
Saved him for the last 2 minutes.
Pang crunch time.
Here we go. Here we go.
Pang crunch time.
Catherine Bernardo tuwan-tuwa sa pagbalik ni Daniel sa game. He looks rested.
Mukhang inaalalayan pa. Yung dalawang kapitan natin, nag-cramps na.
At nagbabantayan na sila.
Babantayan pa. Alam nila, mainit.
Foul here on Young JV. Wala pa sa penalty ang
Wala
Team
pa.
Gerald. Oh, so gusto din sideline inbound.
Pero 4 na foul ni Young JV.
Tao-tao na, depensa ng Team Blue.
Torres. Vargas na kay Daniel. Young JV with 4 fouls.
Shot knocked down with 2.
Torres
So,
for 3. Gets it to go.
What a shot.
91-87. 23 puntos.
23 big points for Axel Torres.
Anderson. Nawala ng bola. Bumalik sa kanila. At kagulo. Jump ball. Mukhang bola ng ano yan. Ang
Jump ball.
blue.
Possession arrow. Pointing to
Kita mo
Team
to.
Gerald.
Mabigat. Nabigyan sila ng apat na kalamangan.
Takuya. Thomas Torres ng De La Salle Green Archers.
Daniel Padilla parang inaalalayan pa rin ang kanyang
Shot clock at 12 seconds.
labas. Young JV against Axel. May screen na ibinigay.
Wide open.
Gerald
Great screen by Joe Vargas yun, no?
Good play.
Ang lapad ng screen, eh. Walang switch. 2-point game.
1 minute. Nakatayo mga tao dito sa Mall of Asia Arena.
Oh, munti ka na. Nice drop pass by Ronnie Alonte. Crucial free throws para kay Zanjo ngayon. Raver Cruz balik sa laban. Nag-follow to si Nico Raval. Napasok sa unang free throw ni Zanjo. 3-point game. One more free throw. It could be a 2-possession game. Tinalog. May violation pa.
Late violation.
May timeout pa, parehong coach. 1 each. Penalty ang team ni Daniel. Wala pa sa penalty ang team Gerald.
Siyempre, siya ang pinuntahan. Inakyat. Whoop. Turnover.
Up ahead, Ronnie Alonte from Daniel Padilla.
Ronnie Alonte.
Mabigat yung play na yun.
That was good.
Mabigat yung turnover na yun, ha?
That was
Ni
good.
Gerald.
Yep. He wanted to go inside to his big man.
Timeout. Team
20
Gerald.
points also for Ronnie Alonte, DJ, ha?
Yep.
And nandun si Zanjo, eh.
Oh, big tap by Zanjo and a nice assist. Perfect lead pass by Daniel Padilla to Ronnie Alonte.
Okay, 45 seconds remaining. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Daniel. Anderson, drive, foul on Zanjo.
All the way there. Almost got the floater to drop for a 3-point play. Yep. He knows it actually.
Yeah.
Honest siya. Foul out na ako, no? Oh, intense, oh. Ni Coach Benji, oh. Siyempre, kasama natin yan sa ABS-CBN Sports Family sa NBA Sabados. Sabados. Hoy! Aray ko.
Sakit nun.
Crucial miss. Free throws have been big.
Ayun.
Diba? In the last 3 minutes of this game.
Si Daniel, sinasabihan niya yung mga fans niya dun sa harap ni Gerald na mag-ingay.
Who gets the rebound? It's with Gerald.
Pumeke. Sapal. Foul.
Another foul.
We'll go back to the line, though.
Man, he's just willing this team to get back. Atakas yun ng offensive foul. Medyo nag-hook siya doon. Pero dito, na-foul siya sa likod, eh. May supal, pero nahampas yung balikat niya, eh. Down by 5 ang Team Gerald.
Balik sa free throw line.
Kaya pa. May bubuga pa. 45 points. Naubusan na nga yung stat sheet natin.
Wala na, ubus
Boom.
na.
Puno na, eh. Hindi kasi, eh.
Gusto mo pa yan? 46. 94-91.
On the 3-point game. Ngayon, wala pa sa penalty ang coach, si Coach Jerry yung boys niya. So, they might wanna just give up a foul to add up the penalty para in case kailanganin nila mag-foul at mailagay sa free throw line ang Team Black. But they're not fouling yet. They're only down by 3.
Ganda ng depensa ni Matt Evans. Bumagsak. Anderson.
All the way!
Isa na lang, pero may bumagsak dito sa kabila.
Oo, sapod sa balikat ni Matt Evans, si
Sa
Ronnie
screen.
Alonte.
Si Alonte ba?
Timeout. Team Daniel.
Sa pool. They fall by the rest. As Matt Evans said, I just held my ground. Was it Matt or was it
Tingnan
Ulver?
yan, yan. It was Matt.
Matt, okay? Kaya lang siya, ayun. Oo. Sa kilikili nga siya tumama, eh. Kilikili ba? Yep. Kilikili lang, eh.
At kapapasok lang niya. Pinasok siya for defensive purposes. And then ito yung saksak. Yung kamilang kapitan sa kabila.
All the way to the basket.
7.
48. Good.
For this ball game, post awards ceremony
Tao.
will take place.
Axel Torres looking for an inbound.
Wala siyang puntahan. Muntigan. Torres.
Need to
Nakalibre. Andun si Akaw.
Big block.
Sabi talaga yung pader.
But they really need to foul because they have 12 seconds to go. 3 team fouls pa lang sila. Everybody on their feet.
Hindi yata nila na-realize na kailangan nila mag-foul.
Young JB
Ayun.
now, he fouls. Anjo. 9.8 to go. They have to do that two more times.
Foul on Young JV Kapunan. Young JV, 5 foul.
And Young JV just fouled out.
Yeah, sabi natin kanina, 4 fouls siya.
Oh, he wasn't aware. So Joe Vargas comes back in the game for Matt Evans.
Joe
No, he
Vargas
comes in for
in,
Young JV because Young JV fouls out. Para ni Matt Chas.
replacing Young JV.
So again, Team Blue will try to get a steal first. If not, they got to quickly foul and not give up too much time on the clock. So wala pa sila sa penalty.
Anderson over.
And now they foul. Maraming segundo na ubos dun.
Anderson, kailangan mag-ingat-ingat siya. Siya kasi gusto niya mag-foul, pero remember, he has 4
He has
fouls.
4 fouls.
So kailangan siya sa opensa
for the last play.
For the last shot, the last play.
So Axel Torres now
On the free throw line.
will take the free throws kasi penalty na finally itong Team Blue.
Wala nang timeout
No
to.
timeout.
Wala na.
The first is good. Now the insurance free throw is needed. But at least, kung makatres pa ang Team Blue, overtime lang.
Wala
And
na.
I don't know, are we gonna do overtime in exhibition games? I don't know.
Who knows?
The fans will not allow that. Axel.
Walang
No
timeout.
timeouts. No timeouts for Team Blue.
Oh! Anderson!
He gets fouled. He gets fouled.
That might be a smart foul para sa Team
Actually, it
Daniel.
might be a good thing. Well, his Team Black fans are behind the basket.
Ano,
He
mag-ingay daw
wants,
sila.
he wants to hear them scream. Pressure free throws with Gerald Anderson. Oh boy, oh boy.
So, ano nang gagawin ngayon, DJ?
He has to miss this one.
Para mag-tres.
And he hopes to get the rebound in a three-pointer.
Naapektuhan din siya ng mga fans ni DJ. Ano? Ayan na.
Uy, he gets the
it back.
rebound. Uy,
Pinaul.
munti ka ng three-point play. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow.
I cannot believe this.
And legit yung
Oh.
rebound niya. He didn't come too early.
Yes.
Sakto sa dulo ng ring.
Foul
That's what he aimed for.
on
Ang galing, ano? Ang galing niya. So, he's gonna have to make the first.
Again.
And then hope for a tip in for the second.
Kumbaga, pangalawang pagkakataon.
Let's try this again. Nako. Wala na to. They'll have to tip it out and go for an alley-oop three.
And pressure pressure. May pressure na.
And that's the ball game, kids. Team Black escapes with the win.
And at the ball game, final score, Team Gerald 93, Team Daniel
Woo, what a game.
96.
What
The
a
winner
game.
of this contest,
What an ending.
Team
Oh, yeah.
Daniel. Awards for the Mythical 5, the winning team, and later on for the MVP. First off, the Mythical 5 awards, the trophies will be presented by the beloved most valuable player in volleyball, Miss Eliza Valdez. First member of the Mythical 5 is Axel Torres. Next member, Young JV Kapunan. Next member, Ronnie Alonte. Our fourth Mythical 5 member, Gerald Anderson. And our fifth recipient of the Mythical 5 trophy, Daniel Padilla. And our winner for most valuable player is Axel Torres.
Baby got eyes like a trunk. Took it from a man, we a punk. She got a body like Baywatch. I met her at play out. Ten bottle bucks in more. Told her move her ass to the tempo. Is you really with the shit though? Really, is you really with the shit though? We got
Congratulations to Axel and to our Mythical 5. And now we present the victor the winning team. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for Team Daniel? Team Daniel's members are Anjo Damiles, Paulo Angeles, Ronnie Alonte, Zian Lim, Vin Abrenica, John Lucas, Joseph Marco, Patrick Sugi, Marco Gumabao, Axel Torres, Sanjo Marudo, and Daniel Padilla.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating Kapamilya Playoffs dito po sa SNA. TJ, isa sa mga pinaka-competitive na napanood natin na celebrity showdowns, ano? If not the most exciting.
So dinami-dami na nasaksiyan natin mga exhibition games ang artista, kahit may halo mga professional players or college players. Today was one of the best ever. Down the wire to the very end. Nagkakagulo pa rin dito sa court.
Eto na!
Ganyan ka-enjoy yung mga fans today.
So, ibig sabihin, selebrasyon na para sa Team Daniel at saka Team Gerald. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga manlalaro, lahat ng mga fans na nandito sa Mall of Asia Arena.
At sa Star Magic for a great
Sa
event.
Star Magic. Eh, kami po rin TJ Maroto, kay makikigulo na rin dito. Thank you very much for watching us for the Kapamilya Playoffs. Good night, everybody.